BJP national spokesperson Shehzad Poonawalla has sparked speculation about his political future after removing the BJP designation from his X profile on July 31st. His updated bio no longer identifies him as a BJP spokesperson, prompting rumors that he may have left the party. Poonawalla also shared a screenshot of his new profile, which described him as religion Islam, culture Hindu, ideology Bharatiya, author GST Ki Yatra, lifelong follower of PM Narendra Modi. However, he has not officially announced his resignation from the BJP. The development comes just days after Poonawalla hinted that it might be time to step away from active politics. Despite the speculation, he continued posting messages supportive of the BJP and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Reacting to the sentencing of Tahir Hussain in the Delhi riots case, Poonawalla said the BJP had never asked him to defend a person accused of terrorism, adding that such practices belong to other political parties. He also posted an old interview in which he described Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a self-made leader and said only the BJP could produce such leaderships. For now, Poonawalla has neither confirmed nor denied reports of quitting the BJP, leaving his next political move unclear.